Hi class. Okay, so for week 3, we will discuss comparing and contrasting two texts or two ads or two articles. And we will be working in area 3.1, 3.2, and 3.3, which is a journal entry. Okay, so let's first go to 3.1. This is a discussion. The same rules apply as for every discussion that we have had. You will select one of the essays on from pages 184 to 199 in your textbook. And after reading the essay closely, you will deal with the analytical aspect of it. What does this mean? Well, it simply means that we are going to start to write, we are moving away from the narrative. As you know, the narrative was, it's the type of academic writing where you are allowed to use I, where you are allowed to write about your feelings and so on. From this point on, the essays that you will write in your academic career will not be narratives, and they will be focusing more on the impersonal, the objective evaluation of texts. So this analytical exercise that you will have in area 3.1 is actually the first step towards these types of essays. Basically, you will read the text, you will find the thesis, you will evaluate what is the purpose of the text. Look at the arguments. What kind of sources does the author use? How does the author structure the arguments? Is this development effective or not? How do you as a reader respond to this text, and are you convinced in what the author is saying, right? The author will talk about, one or two things. So look at how this author is comparing two topics or two subjects, and think about how this will aid you in your compare contrast essay writing, which will follow, right? Not for this particular post, but for other assignments in week 3. And 4, in weeks 3 and 4. So this is what you are looking into. So look into the technical part, right? Look into the part of the structure of the writing, how two topics are being compared, and is it effective? What would you change or not change? What would you keep? So think about that. So this is assignment 3.1. Again, please keep in mind how long your post needs to be. In-text citation needs to be done properly. At the end of your post, include the citation, APA citation for the article that you chose, and make sure your initial post is posted by Wednesday night, 2 peer responses by Friday, and keep the discussion going on until Sunday night. Okay, thank you.